Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can build your game using Unity. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to build settings and you have to add all the scenes that you want to be built. You guys can see here that I have added many scenes, but I will select some scenes that I want to be built. After selecting the scenes, you have to press the build button and you have to wait for a while. Here you have to name your game, and after naming your game, you have to click save. Now it will take some time, you have to be patient. You guys can see here that our game is built. So let's run our game. And here you guys can see our game starts with a splash screen of Unity. And this is our main menu. If I press quit, you guys can see my game is closed. Let's run it again. And now let's play the game. Here I will select level 1. Here you guys can see my game is working perfectly. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.